Fully automated packaging line for mayonnaise. The fully automatic bottle in scrambler automatically sorts, arranges, and orients messy empty packaging cans for output. The 3-head rotor pump filling machine features 3 filling heads operating simultaneously. Utilizing a rotor pump structure, it is specifically optimized for high viscosity materials such as mayonnaise. It ensures precise, drip-free filling, guaranteeing consistent volume in every can. This single-head servo capping machine automatically screws on the outer cap after filling. Servo drive ensures precise and controllable capping torque, guaranteeing a proper tightness and a reliable seal while protecting the cap and the bottleneck from damage. After the cap is screwed on, electromagnetic induction technology instantly activates the aluminum foil gasket inside the cap, causing it to fuse tightly with the bottleneck, forming a second high barrier. The round bottle labeling machine performs high-speed, precise, and circular labeling on the can body, resulting in flat, bubble-free labels that clearly display product information and enhance shelf appeal. Finally, the fully automatic bottle collecting machine smoothly collects, neatly arranges, and automatically outputs the packaged cans. The entire production line is centered on high viscosity filling and double sealing, and is fully automated from empty cans, filling, servo capping, aluminum foil sealing, labeling to finished product collection.